In this video, you'll learn how to add scrolling to your app with PandaSuite Studio. Scrolling is essential in web and mobile design. You can often find vertical scrolling in mobile apps and especially in social media. It is mostly used to create lists, long-form content, immersive storytelling, web pages, and for some scrolling animations. With scrolling, the user can view a lot of information without the page load slowing down. It helps keep them focused instead of distracting them by forcing them to click around. Scrolling can be full screen, or it can be just a region of the page that scrolls independently of the rest of the design. In PandaSuite Studio, the scrolling area component is a container that includes scrollable content. What is placed outside of this component is sticky. Click on Components and insert the scrolling area. This zone is the scroll view, where you want to display your scrollable content. Place it wherever you want. In the properties, you can define if the scroll will move left and right, horizontally, or up and down, vertically, or both. You can also define the size of the scrollable content. To make it scrollable, this size must be higher to the scroll view. Double-click to edit its scrollable content and see the scroll bar. You can add anything you want within this component. Text, images, another component. Be careful to encourage users to scroll down. You need to provide relevant content above the fold to make them want to scroll. You can adjust the size of scrollable content by clicking on the Adjust button. You can choose to display or not the scroll bar. You can also create your own scroll bar using another scrolling area synchronized with this one. You can enable or disable a bounce effect at the end of the scroll. With fast deceleration, you can add a fast slowdown effect. You can add markers to trigger action related to scroll position. For example, you can start playing this video only when it's displayed on the screen. Inside the scrolling area, visually position the scrolling where you want to create this marker. In my example, this is when the video starts to be displayed at the bottom of the screen. Then, click on the plus button in the marker window. A marker is automatically created. You can change its name and edit its position. Create an action for this component. Choose this position as a trigger and interact with the component that plays this video. To create automatic scrolling, you need to synchronize your scrolling area to a timer component. Add the timer component and choose its duration. Enable automatic playing. Then you need to add a synchronization component. In the synchronization component in the property window, add both the scrolling area and the timer component. Choose the right properties, and that's it. The scrolling area is a really powerful and flexible component. I hope this video gave you a lot of ideas on how to use it and build a memorable user experience.